guys, welcome back to Life with Sheila and welcome to an unboxing. Checking out notification. I wanted to share this with you. Little disclaimer before we get too far in. It is Saturday. You're seeing this on Saturday. And on Saturdays, I tend to not put any makeup on and I let my hair air dry instead of blow drying it. I don't straighten it. I pretty much am a very low maintenance girl on Saturday. My skin needs it. My hair needs it. And honestly, after I'm going to probably get into my pajamas probably about, I have a knife that I'm stabbing myself here with. It's a butter knife though. We'll probably get in my pajamas quite early when I'm done filming everything I need to film today. Exciting stuff. I have here a box, and this is from my friend here on YouTube. She has her channel. It is an American in Calgary. Yes. She is from the United States, but now lives in Canada, and on her channel she shares her journey. She's quite delightful. I love her vlogs that she does, and it's neat to see different things from other countries. So she sent me some Canadian snacks and treats. She had done a giveaway and I happened to be the winner, so let's open this. I may need something besides what I grabbed to open this. You're so silly. You want to show them your dance? Sorry guys, you don't get to see it. I don't even want to know what that means. Ah, there we go. I'll be back as soon as I get this open. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Right on top is Smarties. They're different than our Smarties in the US. Our Smarties in the US are fruity and chalky. These are much like M&Ms. Nice. There you go. And then we have a coffee crisp. It looks like it's very similar to like a Twix, but with possibly a coffee kind of feeling flavor. Nice. Oh my goodness. These are different. These are Maltesers. We can actually now get Maltesers here in the state. Maybe I'm thinking something else. These are much like our Whoppers. Nice. Fun. Oh my gosh, let me tell you. I have a friend in Scotland who sent me some goodies last year, and she had sent this mint arrow. Oh my gosh, it is one of my favorites. So good. If you've never had an arrow bar, they are very airy. That's where they get their name from. It's almost like the chocolate just melts in your mouth. It's so good. And a Canadian Kit Kat. It'll be interesting. I should get a regular Kit Kat and do a side-by-side taste test. Oh, look at this. Nice. Arrow in the white, which I have not had. So that will be fun. You guys, I just ate lunch, or I would do a taste test. Aww. And I love it. And a cup that says Canada and has all the things that Canada is known for. I absolutely love this. And I love cups. I love cups. I'm constantly drinking water. Nice. that will be my new water cup. Thank you so much. I really just wanted to unbox. I don't want to open all the candy at one time. I will do maybe throughout February. We will taste test some of these on Taste Test Tuesday. So you will get to hear more about her each time I do. I will share a new fun fact that I either learn about Canada or that I learn about our new friend. So that will be fun to bring her channel along for the journey. So what do you guys think we should try first? Should we try the white arrow, the mint arrow, the Kit Kat, maybe side by side with the American Kit Kat, because I don't know if the chocolate's any different. The coffee crisp. Okay, you guys, I don't have very big hands that can hold a whole lot. Maltesers or Smarties? Which one should we try first? What do you think? Which one? Pick one. I'm going to hold these very carefully in my hand because I'm going to do a thumbnail. Thank you so much for sending this to me. I love it. I feel very honored. I'm honored to not only have you as a subscriber on my channel and get to know you throughout the last few, I guess the last month and a half, maybe 2 months, but I'm very honored to call you friend, and thank you so much. I appreciate every single thing. So that was today's unboxing. Oh my goodness. Maybe I should spare y'all and put the makeup on next time. I will have to jazz that up for the intro for tomorrow's video. But I'm going to film the food today. So let's make a plan. This is the plan. These will be your taste test Tuesday options for February. Like I said, you guys tell me what you think I should try first. Tomorrow we are going to do the very last January comfort food collab video, and I may have not necessarily collab. Anyone's welcome to join me if they want. But in February on Sundays, I will still be sharing a recipe. I am going to go sweet treats for your sweetheart and share sweet treats every Sunday in February. I like sticking to a category like that because it just, one, keeps me on target, and my family likes desserts, and cooking something once a week will be nice. In fact, I am making something today, and I don't know if I'm going to share it in tomorrow's comfort food video along with the recipe that I intended to, or if it will be the first sweet treat for next week. We'll see. We shall see. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.